Hey guys, welcome. So I appeared for the Jadavpur University entrance exam JU 2022, and today was the physics exam entrance exam for day and evening. So as you guys know, there is no previous year question available for JU entrance, and so I personally had a lot of problem because I am a student of Calcutta University, and we didn't due to the lockdowns we didn't really I shouldn't say we, so I take it on me that I didn't really cover a lot of syllabus, and even the ones I did like 1 or 2 years ago, and personally it's not going to be similar to a lot of aspirants definitely this year or the next year. So I personally hadn't revised things I've learned like in 2020 and 2021, and previous year questions are always important. And Jadavpur University for MSc exam, they don't have any previous year papers. So what happened? Three of my friends went to the campus 1 week ago, and we talked with the central library and everyone there, and even talked to the head of the physics, PG physics department, and uh, they said that the previous year questions were not available because usually people who have arrived, you would know that they take the question booklet with the OMR sheet. So it was really hard, and with the physics head, uh, they even didn't know what question would be coming. So, but they said, I when I asked like, what is the parallel of this entrance, like some questions that we can solve. So, we're told to solve UGC net. So I've been solving some previous year papers and mock tests on Academy and stuff like that for 1 week, and needless to say, the level is not that hard. So I don't have the question either. So, and I applied for the physics day, and from what I learned that the day and evening merit list will be published uh, on the same list, so there isn't going to be a separate list, and I don't know how that process is going to be. But and also they said that the calculator won't be allowed, but there was calculator and problems that you need calculators to have, so they told us to um, borrow some calculator from our friends nearby. So that was that, but things here and there. So basically, what I saw that if you study just not like in too much depth, but just some definitions of nuclear physics and some like basic concept, like PSC level basic concept. Like you don't even need to solve jam, gate, chess level questions or net. Like just have the basic concept, all the definitions, your books, and so a lot of questions where you don't. So there were at least more than 10 to 15 questions where you didn't even need to solve it mathematically, but just from your concept or some definitions of nuclear physics, you'll be answering that. And there are also some good questions on Lissajous figures and quantum state, eigenstate determination, expectation value problems. Those are really good. 2S problem, some solid state questions. So all over. So they ask questions from all over the place, and that was like question was too easy. There was no doubt, but my bad. I didn't really didn't really study well. But there was a question. So let me know if you guys did do this or like so for people who are watching and they're gonna appear for 2024 JU entrance exam. Like I can't give you a previous year paper, but I can tell you that if you study the whole BSc syllabus, and mathematical physics, a lot of like they gave a differential equation and asked like what form this differential equation has. So like you can understand. And there was another problem that said uh, anti-Hermitian matrices have what eigenvalues, like either imaginary or purely imaginary or zero or some other options. Direct questions from basic theory. You don't need to derive much of the problem. So there was a problem in matrix though. I had some problem with. So let me know if any of you can solve. I haven't tried it yet after examination, but in the hall I tried it a couple of times, but I terribly failed. So let me know. I'm just going to write it down.